Burn it. Oh yeah, let it be burning. Let it be burning. Don't pour me water, Jare. What is all this? Let it burn.
What is this now? What is this?
What is this? Didn't I warn you? I called you several times to speak with you like a mother so that you will listen. But no, you refuse. I told you it's not proper, it's not right for you to get married before your elder sister.
Mommy, tell
that it's not done anywhere. No, you insist. You still went ahead to plan your wedding. I pleaded with you, my daughter, that you postpone it. Let your elder sister see somebody she wants to marry first and get married.
Oh.
No, you refuse. You are acting on your own, right? Now I've acted on my own as your mother. Nonsense.
Mama, why would you put my wedding gown? And you.
If you look at me like
If you good beating. Nobody. It's not done anywhere for the younger one to get married before the elder sister.
Hello. Hello, mommy.
What are we saying?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, mommy. What is wrong with this one? Who has this?
Daddy, see, Mama and Aunt Sister Ella. They burnt my wedding gown.
Me? Why are you mentioning my name? Did you see me carry the fire?
Tell him I am the one that burnt her wedding gown. You are an elderly man, you know what I'm saying. This girl wants to get married before her elder sister. I pleaded with her. I told her, tell your husband to be that your elder sister is still single. She's not married. You people postpone this wedding for at least when your elder sister gets married, you will not marry. She said no. She went ahead, planning everything. I called her again, I pleaded with her. No. She decided to do that which is her own way. Now me, I have shown her that I'm a mother. I've burnt the wedding.
Mommy.
You can't allow people mock me.
Mommy.
Why?
Mommy.
Sir?
This thing you are talking, where is that law written? That anybody cannot get married anytime? No. Where is it written? No. Mommy, please. This is great injustice. Yes, it is great injustice that you have just meted on this young lady.
But you are an elderly man. You know what I'm saying. In our place, in fact, as Africans, the younger one will not get married before the older one. It's a taboo and a curse on the older one.
Are you saying I am an European?
I said
I don't know African custom. Like I said, this is great injustice. When you say she should postpone her wedding, you understand? Are you sure the man will continue to wait for her?
I told her to speak with the man now. If she can, she should tell the man to come and see me, and I will speak with him. I definitely will understand.
Mommy, you are very, very wrong. You are very, very wrong. And you, elder sister, you are not ashamed at all.
What did I do now?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
What did I do now?
You better know what you are doing, that men are not coming for you. You understand? Why must you use your own to delay your younger sister? Everybody has different plan in life. You understand? It is her time. But why must she use her own to delay her?
Why would she get married before me?
What kind of nonsense are you saying? Mommy, you need to reconsider it. You need to reconsider this. What you have done to this girl is very, very bad. This is very bad.
But Papa, even when we were growing up, they would tell us you don't get married before the older one. You younger one, you don't get married. That's exactly what we saw. That's what we followed as well.
Mommy, you are talking of something of 40-50 years ago. Look at the world 40-50 years ago. Is it the same thing that it's obtaining now? Mommy, no. What obtained 40-50 years ago, is it the same thing that is still obtaining? Times have changed and we need to change with it. This is not very good, please. It is not very good. My dear, I don't know how we are going to go about this. You understand? But Mommy, please find a way of appeasing this young girl and let her go. Let her go along with her plans, with her life plans. Elder sister, Elder sister,
Daddy.
better mend your ways so that men will come for you. Maybe you are doing something that is directly driving people away from you. You understand? You should. You say what?
Mommy,
I was trying to. I thought maybe it applies to this generation as well.
Apply. Okay, you cannot expect the person who came for her now to now come for her. You understand? So, mommy, so please try and appease this your young girl. You understand? So that she doesn't continue to have this hard feelings. Elder sister.
See,
Elder
mommy,
sister.
she's not getting married before me.
Elder sister.
You better listen. Baba is calling you. You see, you better don't try any rubbish with
Mommy,
your sister.
this is what we are saying.
Ah.
How can she attract suitor like this? No, how can she attract suitor like this? Please, let this lady go. You hear me? Let her go. Please.
Mommy, leave me alone.
Sorry, no, I'm sorry. I thought maybe it's a curse. Or it will be a curse on the elder sister if you. I'm sorry.
Mommy, you ruined me.
I'm sorry. It's okay now. It's okay. You know what? I will go and get you another wedding gown since the wedding is not even closer. I will go and get you another wedding gown. Okay? You will get married.
Okay.
Forgive me, okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you,
sir.
Thank you. See, let's go inside, so that you will call the woman you bought this one from. We get another design.
Okay, mommy.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry, okay, please. I'm truly sorry. I didn't know.